Wolf Kinkwicket with Hostile Interviews. Today we're going to attempt an interview with Zach, web developer. Jeff, it might be dangerous, so I'm passing this one on to you.
All right. Where did I get that? All right, let's get some work done. Oh, jeez. Oh, come on, guys. This is my basement. Is any of this even necessary?
Let's get two things straight. First, I'm asking the questions, and secondly, if you were a real programmer, you wouldn't even be sitting across the table from me. So Zach, if that's even your name, what does a web developer even do?
Well, web developers run the world. I mean, okay, not really, but pretty close. The world runs on information, and much of the information we need to use every day can be found on websites built by web developers like me. I mean, we build interfaces that present information to users in a way that they can understand.
So all you do is design websites?
Well, you're getting me confused with a web designer. See, that's a very common mistake, mainly because in most cases, web developers can be web designers, but not all web designers can be web developers. I mean, both work with HTML, CSS, JavaScript on a daily basis, but web developers have a strong understanding of what many server-side languages like PHP, Python, Ruby, ASP.NET do in order to present to the world.
Let's accept there's a difference between web designers and web developers. And let's even accept that drinking a ton of caffeine and typing Google searches is actually a skill. What other talents does somebody need to be a web developer?
Well, strong problem solving and logic skills are very important. I mean, very often a client will come in with an idea for a business or a product and nothing more. And it's the job of the web developer to look at that and try and come up with an efficient and creative way to get their idea into reality. I mean, web developers don't just write code. We solve complex problems every day.
Web guys are not known for brevity. So if you could, just tell me one thing people don't understand about what you do.
Well, I don't make iPhone apps. For some odd reason, I get a lot of people who want to tell me about their great new idea for an app that just makes $1 million, and I just don't do that.
So besides writing code that'll only work on their machine, what else should students do to prepare if they want to be a professional web developer?
Well, first and foremost, be curious. I mean, what's your favorite website? How's it run? How's it work? And also, pay attention in algebra class. Logic, order of operations, basic math, they all have very important concepts that apply directly to web development. And also, try building something. Fail. I mean, fail a lot. Failure is not something to be discouraged by. In fact, failure should be encouraging. A failure usually leads to learning something completely new.
My browsers are always asking me about cookies. So tell me, what is your favorite cookie?
Peanut butter, of course.
No! Everybody knows Samoas are the best cookie. Which actually reminds me, I got a really good idea for an iPhone app. Can you help me?
Well, what did we learn?
Well, three things, I think, Wolf. One, Zach doesn't have good taste in cookies. There is, in fact, a difference between a web developer and a web designer, and I'm gonna have to find someone else to do that $1 million iPhone app.